koutou e te iwi ko Turia Schmidt Peke tōku ingoa, he uri tēnei no Ngāti Haua, Ngāti Tamatera. Kei konei au, kei te pōwhakanui i ngā waiata Māori, i ngā waiata no Aotearoa, tēnā utonu mai.
O Renzo taku ingoa no Kauirawa hau.
Or Stan, or Taurana Moana, actually not everywhere, not everywhere.
Ngā hauepa!
Ko Jordan with the Waiaha, he uri tēnei no whaingaroa no Hamoa anō hoki.
You know those cameras in Hollywood? And they do that? Yeah, we don't have that.
Oh, okay.
But we got a bro here on his waiwai. Tai rua toru pa pūkenga! No waiata Māori I tēnei wā.
One that I grew up on, Ruia Apirahama, Matika Maira.
Matika maira ko te iwi Māori.
Tirina.
Te rina.
Ia koe te tau, aku mihi. I was going to say that too.
If you guys could do a song with anyone, who would it be? Actually.
I feel like Stan, Rob Ruha,
I think I say this every time we get asked this question by Lawton Cora.
Probably Troy Kingi again.
Troy, he's the man, up for album of the year today. Yeah. If your band was a flavour, what would you guys be? What flavour?
Thousand Island dressing.
I don't know if it'd be as nice, but it's like Neapolitan when you've mixed it all in.
Do you mix it?
Do you not mix it?
No!
it would be those blue 2-minute meat gorings that you get at the dairy. Yeah, it'll be like the blue ones, the blue, specific blue, none of this red business.
It would be Duck Island fairy bread.
Yeah, look at that, tiroia tera. I remember these, Our pauakos used to wear them at kura. I love that before you get a growly. What's next for Kerala?
Another album, tour.
Hawaii, want to head back to Hawaii?
Yeah, probably action movie. Probably be the next Taumata Wapani
Trilogy.
10.
10 albums in 10 days.
New single, June 12th. Shout out to all my Kauirawa people, shout out to all my Māori Pacifica, love yous.
Ko te manu taki toa, ko Stan Walker.
The battles that we've had to face in our lifetime, our parents, our grandparents, Dame Whenekupa, we're marching down to Parliament. We had Ngā Tamatoa, we had Ihu Mātau, we had the latest hikoi. We've been doing this for generations, but now we can write songs, do videos, and that's how we're fighting.
I feel like it's a win for all of us. It's not a singular thing. I think we as Māori, we do everything collectively. So, I am them, they are me. I just want to do a big shout out to all the other artists that constantly inspire me. Māori artists, we're in a place that we've never been before, and it's such a beautiful thing to see. So this is for all our tanata whenua here, all our people here who have made this possible. So, yeah.
Tēnā koutou e te whānau, kua mutu, kua ea ngā mahi I konei, tēnā koutou mo tō koutou mātakitaki mai, e mihi ana ki ngā kai waiata, e mihi ana ki ngā tangata rongonui I tau mai ki tēnei whāriki, tēnā koutou anō.